Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you something how you can find seed phrase. So basically you can't find the seed phrase because this is some security reason. So the app is designed to never display your recovery information again after you have confirmed it during account creation. But what you can do, so yeah, if you lost your seed phrase, then on that account you probably lost some of your crypto. But yeah, you can create new one if you want. So let's go and do that. So what you can do is click here uh, to create new account. So click on here on test, and you will see here that we already have one account, but we can add another one and then continue with what I showed in previous video. So check this out, how to set up Xaman Wallet. And yeah, this is basically how you can find seed phrase, because yeah, the app is made that way that uh, you can't see the seed phrase or because of security reasons. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.